Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Mahi Mahi fish in Abyss Roblox. So, the Mahi Mahi fish is a little bit heavy and it's honestly I thought it's pretty hard to catch, and I'm going to show you how you can catch it. So, I spot one in here and just go near the fish and shoot it. As you guys can see, it doesn't, nothing happens. I'm going to try to catch another one in here. Let's catch this one. Okay, so I got, okay, it's pretty hard. Let's try another one. Okay, this one in a Cupid Mutation. So you need to be patient because this one is a little bit heavy. Okay, so now I get it. As you guys can see, it's 106 kilograms. So I'm going to go to the forgotten tip first. That's basically it. That's how you can catch the Mahi Mahi fish in Abyss Roblox. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next one.